Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Toyota Rav4 CV, stock reference number 3991. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 12th month 2012. It has a 2AZ FE, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right-hand headlight has sun cracks. Radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover. It's got a factory alloy nudge bar with all bolts and brackets. Left-hand headlight does have light sun cracks. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent, as does the left rear door. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. It's got some light scuffing on the rear bumper cover. Has a tow bar cutout. It's fitted with a factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. We have the hard type spare wheel cover, colour coded. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, 5-speed manual, shifter, manual type console, heating controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.